Ja. Nein. Ja. Nein. Ja. Hallo alle. Guten Morgen. Wie geht es euch heute? How are you all today? Now, in this video lesson for the Learn German for Beginners, we are going to learn the most basic words. And that are yes, no, thank you, and welcome. So, fangen wir an. So, let's move to the first one. Ja. That means saying yes. So, ja. There are many Germans who also say yo, yup, and no, which actually sounds more like no but means yes. So there are ways of saying yes, and you can say ja, yo, yup, no, but the official one is ja. So ja, ich möchte Deutsch lernen. Yes, I want to learn German. So let's move to number 2, saying no, and that is nein. That means no. The official one is nein. You can also say nee. Like for example, someone offered you a glass of water and you say nee. That is also absolutely fine, but the official one is nein. That means when you are writing an answer and you want to negate an answer saying no, so you can say nein. N-E-I-N. Nein. Let's move to number 3, saying thank you. Now let's, like in English we have thank you so much, thank you beautiful, thank you from the bottom of my heart, and these are the ways. So same ways in German also we have the same ways. You can say danke. That means thank you. Danke. You can also say danke schön. That means thank you beautiful, because schön means beautiful. So danke schön. You can also say thank you so much, and that is vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. Viel means much, so vielen Dank. And if you want to say someone thank you from the bottom of my heart, you can say herzlichen Dank. Herzlichen Dank. Like I want to say you all herzlichen Dank. That is thank you from the bottom of my heart. Herz means heart. So herzlichen Dank. Now let's move to the 4th. That is saying you're welcome. You can say bitte. But bitte also means please. For example, someone said you excuse me and you said ja, bitte. That means yes, please. So ja, bitte. You can also say bitte schön. That means you're welcome beautiful. Like danke schön, thank you beautiful, and bitte schön, you're welcome beautiful, like you're welcome. And this was the end of our video. Now, like I said you all herzlichen Dank, tell me what do you want to say me? Dankeschön, vielen Dank, oder herzlichen Dank? This was the end of our video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Deutsche Freundschaft to get all the latest updates on Monday and Friday. You have to press that bell icon also. So, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und ciao.